Welcome to day one of the AI gaming course. If you're starting from zero, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll create your first gaming thumbnail using AI. AI thumbnails are images generated using prompts instead of editing manually. This means you don't need Photoshop or design skills. All you need is a character image or photo and an AI tool. Here's a simple beginner prompt you can use. Create a high-quality gaming thumbnail of a character, cinematic lighting, vibrant colors, glowing effects, sharp focus, 16:9 aspect ratio. Paste the prompt, upload your image, and generate. And this is your first AI thumbnail. Simple, fast, and powerful. Don't skip. This course builds step by step. This is just day one. In day two, we'll create advanced thumbnails using your own image.